The Wind and the Sun.
Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, the wind and the sun had a friendly disagreement.
I am the strongest of all. I can blow away anything in my path.
And I, dear wind, can warm the coldest hearts with my gentle rays.
Let us see who can make that traveler remove his cloak first.
And so, the wind and the sun decided to put their powers to the test.
I'll go first.
The wind starts blowing fiercely, causing the trees to sway and the leaves to dance. Struggling to hold onto his cloak,
May I have a turn now?
Go ahead, but you won't succeed where I failed.
the sun beams brightly, spreading warmth and light across the stage.
Ah, what a lovely day. I think I'll take off my cloak.
The traveler removes his cloak, feeling the gentle warmth of the sun.
But, how did you do that?
Sometimes, my friend, warmth and kindness can achieve what force cannot.
And so, the sun taught the wind that sometimes being gentle and kind is stronger than being forceful and fierce. The wind and the sun embrace, having learned a valuable lesson. And from that day forward, they worked together to bring warmth and gentle breezes to the world.